In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Jotform effectively within just 5 minutes. Let's get started by first visiting jotform.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Signing in takes you to your main workspace where all the magic happens. Now, after successfully logging in, head over to My Forms. This is essentially the hub where all your forms are stored and waiting for you to manage. Here, you'll find a list of your existing forms. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to print. Once you've identified the form, click on it to open it up. This will lead you straight to the form builder, a powerful tool that lets you customize and fine-tune your form to perfection. As the next step, scroll all the way down in the form builder until you reach the bottom of the page and click on Submit. This seemingly simple action takes you into the settings mode of your form. Here, you'll notice a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new pane on the right hand side revealing several tabs, and your interest lies in the Advanced tab. So go ahead and select that to explore further customization options. Now, under the Advanced tab, you'll find a toggle labeled Print button. This is the key to your goal today. You'll want to toggle that switch to the on position. This activates the print button on your form, making it accessible for use in the upcoming steps. With the print button now enabled, navigate back to your form interface. This is where the print button manifests itself, allowing you to print the full document with just a click. However, before rushing into printing, it's crucial to remember that this function is only available after your form has been published. Unpublished forms will not display the print option, so make sure your form is published and ready to go beforehand. Finally, with your form published and the print button active, you can proceed with printing the entire document. Whether you choose to print a physical copy or save it as a digital document, the power is in your hands. This step empowers you to manage and distribute your form content efficiently, ensuring that you can always present a tangible version when needed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to printing your Jotform using the Form Builder's built-in features. These instructions make the process swift and hassle-free, putting you in control of your form management needs. Thanks for following along and happy printing.